Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix something went wrong. Please try again later. Support code C14A. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, update your Snapchat. Open your Google Play Store. Then search here Snapchat. If your Snapchat not up to date, then update from here. After update, go back. Go to the settings. Then select here apps. Search here Snapchat. Press on force stop. Then press on force stop. Press on storage, then press on clear cache. After doing this, check your problem solved or not. If not, wait for some time, maybe Snapchat server problem. That's it guys, so in this way you fix this error. Thanks for watching friends, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.